It's so messy.
Oh my God. Di mo
Mr.
hihita.
Wild Goose. Sheriff.
Islis tayo.
What are you doing?
Sige.
We were on patrol and saw your door wide open.
Ala!
There's been a break-in. What? But I'm sure I closed the door. How did the thief get in?
Chologi. On chologi.
She must have been the thief. Toby, Matthew, search the house. Got it.
Name ko FNET recording. Playing FNET for the first time. Plus my body account 2. Plus body account 2.
Nothing unusual around the house.
Oh, wasn't that playhouse over there? And why does the chimney have a tail?
Never catch after after.
It's a tail again. Chase her.
Record ako dito. Bikin. Pwede, ako get no, inano, graphics, 0, tapos, volume 1.
Sheriff Labrador's safety talk. Kids, if your house has an electric door lock, don't tell anyone the password. If
Yan,
bad guys find it out,
graphics.
they can easily get into your house, and it can be very dangerous.
Ayan,
Please
hindi
remember that.
naglalag. Naglalag kunti.
Don't eat toys. I got a lot of yummy food. Where's my donut?
Pwede balikod. Pwede, pwede ako buka. Tignan mo natin siya.
It was you.
Log.
What's wrong, monkey? Hurry, take it to the hospital. Dr. Deer, why does he have a stomachache?
Seems like he ate something poisonous. What?
Sister Dolly, what did your brother just eat?
He ate what I bought. A cake, strawberries, and donuts.
These shops.
Got it.
3, 2, 1. Matt, stop ko na yung video.